Hello everyone, this is Kian from Reaper Rocker. On today's episode, nag-artist feature tayo at kilalanin natin ang grupong Heartlit, isang idol group at alamin natin ang tungkol sa kanilang musika. So, if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's go! Heartlit is a rising cosplay and idol duo, ready to light up the stage with their passion for K-pop, J-pop, and P-pop performances. Known for their idol-level charisma, synchronized moves, and heart-stealing energy, they're sure to bring smiles to everyone. The duo composed of Yang Chi and Mirin. Yang Chi is the group leader, an awarded cosplayer and seamstress and fashion enthusiast, while Mirin, the ace performer, is a charismatic streamer and gamer. Together, they perform a perfect blend of talent, charm, and stage power. So, nakilala ko ang grupong Heartlit sa isang cosplay event at doon ko napanood sila ng live. At nung nag-perform sila dito sa Cosplay Street, talagang solidan ako sa kanilang performance at talagang namangha ako. So, I want to share this video ng kanilang performance at I hope you enjoy this video. And that was Heartlit's live performance. So, overall, ang masasabi ko sa grupo na to ay napaka-solid nila at nakikita ko yung passion sa kanilang ginagagawa, no? At talagang gusto ko rin yung interaction nila sa mga fans nila dahil talagang ina-approach nila at saka talagang meron silang contact during their performance. Kaya marami talagang nabibigani sa kanila. At gusto ko rin yung pagsasayaw nila kasi talagang nasa ritmo talaga sila at saka they dance gracefully. Shoutout kay Yang Yang at saka kay Maylin, talagang so solid itong sumayaw. And talagang they poured out their performance 100% on stage. Kaya talagang no doubt na marami talaga silang nabibighani ng mga followers, mga fans sa kanilang pagpe-perform, no? So, nakikita ko sa kanila na may potential sila na mas mag-grow as an artist, and I hope tumagal din yung kanilang pagsasama as a duo. I know na ang laki ng potential nitong grupo na to. So, overall, I'm satisfied and talagang napaka-solid nila. And personally, nakakausap ko yan si Mirin saka si Yang Yang, napaka-solid. Especially Yang Yang, shoutout sa'yo. Napaka-super approachable mo, talagang para kang tropa, no? So, I hope na makita ulit tayo at talagang usap tungkol sa inyong music, and hopefully ma-interview ko rin kayo dito sa aking channel, di ba? So, yun. Suporta natin ang grupong Heartlit. solid sila pag nag-perform ng live. Hindi kayo magsisisi pag tinagal ko sila.
Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days.
Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections anong masasabi nyo sa grupong Heartlit. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode. This is Kian signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!